Hey, Starbucks. You're doing a good job, baby. You're a good mama. She just had another one. I believe there's 8 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have a feeling she's got 9 in there. And that more are coming, so we'll see. She's licking there, so maybe one's coming now. The one she's licking on now is the one that just that she just had recently, her latest one.